Hello everyone, this is Shraddha with a new update. Now it's official, Vivo will not be the IPL title sponsors this year, says BCCI. The BCCI on Thursday suspended the IPL title sponsorship deal with Chinese mobile phone company Vivo for the event's upcoming edition amid soaring Sino-India diplomatic tensions. The BCCI sent out a one-line statement without giving any details to say that Vivo will not be associated with the IPL this year. The Board of Control for Cricket in India and Vivo Mobile India Private Limited have decided to suspend their partnership for Indian Premier League in 2020. The press release stated, Vivo won the IPL title sponsorship rights for 5 years from 2018 to 2022 for a reported sum of Rs 2190 crore, approximately Rs 440 crore per annum. The two parties are now working out a plan in which Vivo might come back for a fresh 3-year period starting 2021 on revised terms. However, a top BCCI official offered a different view. The anti-China sentiment in the country peaked after the violent face-off between the Indian and Chinese troops in eastern Ladakh. India lost 20 soldiers in the clash, while China also acknowledged unspecified casualties. The standoff of the line of actual control caused outrage across India and several calls for boycott of Chinese companies and products. The BCCI is now likely to float a tender for new IPL title sponsors as mandated by its constitution. The Glitzy T20 League starts on September 19 in the UAE, forced out of India due to rising COVID-19 cases. The new development is in stark contrast to what came out of Sunday's IPL's Governing Council meeting, where it was decided that Vivo, along with all other sponsors, will remain on board. This was after the BCCI had announced in June that all sponsorship deals pertaining to IPL will be reviewed in the aftermath of the clash at Galwan Valley. As of now, it will be very difficult for the BCCI to match the sponsorship amount at such short notice. Therefore, both BCCI and the franchise should be prepared to lose out on some money. BCCI more, but each franchise from Vivo's exit will potentially lose 15 crore, the official said. This year will be difficult for everyone, but the show must go on, the official said. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video.